Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a high quality beef burgers in Korea, how they make it. So if you are interested in watching these kind of videos, hit like on my videos and subscribe my channel. So let's take you on to the journey of making the finest beef burgers. Okay, first we need to source the highest quality of beef, ground beef. You can source ground beef from your local meat supplier, and then you need to add a ton of onion powder and a garlic powder. So if there is a bad smell, it will not smell bad. And add a little bit of black pepper, as you can see in the video. Okay, and then mix thoroughly with your hand and cover it for some time. Okay, we'll take you to the next step, which is cutting Siboya. Siboya means onions. Okay, you need to finely chop the onions. Okay, here we go. So you all guys, you know how to chop the onions. Yeah. If you don't know, you can learn from here. Okay. Start chopping, 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 chopping. You need to make it very, very fine chop. Okay. Okay. As we continue with the chopping, if you are liking my video, put like button on the video. Okay, if you don't like, okay, forget it, don't watch the video. Okay, here we go. Now what we do here is we add this chopped cayenne, not cayenne, onion to the mince, and then we slowly add a few eggs so that the meat can be binded together. Okay, so you can see how many eggs this guy is putting in the bowl. Okay, here we go. Okay, one more. Okay, these eggs are a little yellow, which mean they are corn fed. Okay, so we are putting these eggs and whole eggs. Okay, and then we massage, 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 massage. Okay, okay, okay. Yes, this is full massage. Okay, slow massage, up, down, up, down. Okay, okay, and then we tap, 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 tap. Okay, then we cover it with a plastic, and okay, this is elastic, plastic and elastic. What a combination. Okay, then what we do is okay, we remove it after some time, and then we massage. It's like punching massage. Okay, this is different type of massage for high quality meat patty. Okay, so meat patty mean we will make a meat patty of very high quality. So after massage, we press it down. Okay, you can see in the video, it's pressing. Make sure you wash your hand before you do any kind of food work. Okay, here is the tap. Okay, and now we massage again. Why we massage? Okay, no, we are taking it out and putting in the stainless steel bowl. Okay, so here you make big balls, and put in the, what you call it, a stainless steel. Okay, okay, here we go. So we got lot of meat, a bottle of wine. No, we don't have a bottle of wine. So we just keep on pressing this meat and make it firm. Okay, and then we start making ball. You know what? Not football, small ball. Okay, here we go. We make small ball. Okay, by the way, this is high quality burgers, and these are made in Korea and Taiwan. Taiwan is now, is part of China, so we cannot call it Taiwan anymore. If we call it Taiwan, China will put bomb on you. Okay, so stop calling it Taiwan. It's China. Okay, here we make small bomb, not bomb. What we call it, meat bomb. Okay, so we keep it aside. Look at the shape, it's so beautiful. Now slowly we turn on the heat. Okay, here we go. Here the heat is on, and cover it with a lid. Okay, here you see the fat is dripping from the balls of meat, and it is cooking it slowly from one side, and then you make it on the other side. Okay, turn it slowly and let it sear. You know what is sear? Sear is like like browning it a little bit, and then you buy a good quality of buns. You know which buns? Burger buns. Yeah, you're right. Okay, here we go. A quality burger buns. Okay, here we go. Okay, these are already cut it into the half. One. Okay, after cutting it, you put this sauce, like mayonnaise. You like mayonnaise, you put mayonnaise. You like butter, you put butter. Whatever you like, but you must put something. If you don't put something, it will be dry. Okay, so here we go. Put some green salad, but it should be washed and dried properly. Otherwise, it will become soggy. Your bun will become soggy and it will be tasteless. So you want your food to be very tasty. So to make tasty food, you need to make sure everything is perfect. Okay, then you slice a big white onion slice. Okay, and you put it on the burger. Make sure you put this guy is putting something, the center part of the onion, you must remove it. If you don't remove it, it will sometime, the brown part is not good. Okay, you must remove it. Anyhow, you just after some time you open it and try to cook it thoroughly. It should be cooked from inside. You make sure your food is not uncooked. Okay, otherwise you will get diarrhea. Anyhow, this is this look at this burger. Look at the meat, so nice and so juicy. Because okay, so this guy is now putting what he's putting on it. Okay, there's a mozzarella cheese. You can put mozzarella cheese, you can put cheddar cheese, or you can put parmigiano reggiano if you like strong cheese. Oh no, it's not cheese, it's coleslaw. Come on, mate, you must tell me, guys. It's not. Oh, he's putting coleslaw on it and a little bit of ketchup, a little bit, a little bit of British accent I put in the burger. Okay, it's a ketchup. Oof. The ketchup makes it good. Looks good. It's red, yeah. Okay, and then we close these burgers. Yani we put it okay on the top, and look how delicious and yummy it looks. Do you want to eat this burger? Yes, I know you guys are tempted and you want to eat this burger. But to eat this burger, you guys have to make it. Okay, you take now one aluminum foil, or an aluminium foil, whatever the way you call it, and just pack it. Okay, you need to be quick. These guys are making it for video looking very slow, but when you are doing it business, you need to make it fast, because the faster you make, the more money you make. Okay, you need to understand that. And put your sticker, the sticker, not sticker. Okay, whatever kind of sticker you like, a sticker. Make your own brand and sell your burger and eat it when you are hungry, or sell it to the hungry people and make money and make them happy and make yourself happy. Oh, look at this juicy moosey burger.